Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of $1972.83. Okay, if the price keeps sustaining above this level, of further upside we can see. Okay, after making a half around $1993, $1998, it is continuously on the downside. Okay, because at that level profit booking has come. Okay, and chances are very high that if the price didn't sustain this level, a further downfall we can see. But if it keeps sustaining this level and moves above a level of 1990, then a further high we can see, because there will be a zone breakout will happen, and then a further upside we can see towards $2000 and then towards a higher side. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, look at this particular chart. This is a 2-year pattern, this is an 8-month pattern. Similar pattern is forming here. Okay, and chances will be high that we can see it can go further upside. Okay, and our previous pattern was around from 2012 to 2020, that is around 10 years pattern. So you have to look at this particular pattern and probability that it is mostly moves in that particular zone. Okay, and chances are high if the price keeps sustaining, further upside we can see, and then there is a higher chances that it can move towards a level of around $1975, and if the price keeps sustaining, a level of around 1977. Okay, once the price started moving above that level, a further high we can see, and then a probability of going towards 1981.80 we can see, and from there a probability of going towards $1995. Okay, once the price move above that level, a further upside we can see, because there is a higher chances, because there will be a zone breakout. As soon as it started going above that level, a further high we can see, because there is a probability that it can go further higher. Because if it is zone breakout happens, so you have to understand there is a probability of going further upside or downfall. Okay, so as soon as started going above a level of 1981, a probability of touching 1994 we can see, and then to a level of 1997, and then a level of 2000 we can see. And as soon as started moving above a level of 2000, then will be a zone breakout and a further upside we can see. Okay, now understand, you have to understand that because market is uncertain. See, this is if there is a zone breakout, a further high we can see above a level of 2000, and a probability of going towards $2011 2011 will be there, and from there a further high. But remember, market is uncertain. Okay, and if the price didn't sustain, you have to always set your SL, because if you are thinking that the price will go above 2000 or below this level, no, you have to understand, always try to set your SL. It will try to save your capital also, and if you trail your SL, it will try to save your profit. These two things are very important. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what you can see. Okay, see, look at this particular trailing SL and SL. This saves your capital as well as your profit. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around $1971.82, and after that it can come towards a level of 1969.73. If the price started moving below that level, a further downfall we can see towards 1968.24, and from there a probability of going towards $1965. Okay, if the price started falling below that particular level, a further downfall we can see, and if the price started moving below that level, a further downfall we can see towards 1963. If the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of 1960, and from there a probability of going towards a level of 1955. Okay, so you have to understand, as soon as started moving below a level of 1960, chances of touching 1955 we can see, and from there a probability of going towards 1948. Once the price started falling below 1948, then there is a higher chances that it can go further low. Okay, overall trend is on the upper side. As you can see, the Israel war was there, so continuously upside we can see. If the price keeps sustaining above 1980, a further high we can see in the price of gold. Okay, as of now we have seen there is a pause has happened. So if the price started moving out of zone, a further high we can see. So understand that overall trend is higher side. If you are keeping a stop loss, keep a small quantity of and a good stop loss. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, click the thumbs up and